Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds JLAB EPIC LAB. And you have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now quick tap 7 times on first your earbud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this LED light blink blue 4 times, and then you need to tap 7 times on your another earbud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it also blinking blue. Next you remove your earbuds from the charging case, and firstly we need to remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after hard reset, this earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!